Hello guys, this is a try not to laugh challenge just by Excited Baby. After this challenge, I will say something. Yeah, so yeah guys, I want to say thank you to my friend Elaine because she's the one that convinced me to do this video, so that's kind of cool. Yeah. If you see her, then say, hey, cool, that guy mentioned you, Mr. Hanky, or, yeah, Mr. Hanky, I guess you could call me, mentioned you. Yeah, I know you. Your name's Elaine. Yeah. So, guys, and another thing is to advertise my clan. Message me and let me know if you want to join. I'm really cool with knowing if you want to join. It'd be really cool for me just let me know. Because I haven't been getting any messages yet, and I really want to get some messages. So if you could just message me to join my clan, then that'd be pretty helpful. Thanks.